Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to update your Among Us application. For this, you need to open Play Store if you are using an Android. If you are using an iPhone, open your App Store. I am using Play Store. Now here you'll be taken to Game section. Now tap on Search present on the bottom right corner. After this, tap on the search bar present on the top. Now type in Among Us. After this, tap on the search icon present on the keyboard. Here you'll be able to see Among Us option. Now tap on Among Us option. If you haven't updated your Among Us application, you'll find update option instead of play. So tap on update option. With this, wait for a few seconds till your application gets updated. This is how we can update Among Us. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.